Keep going.
Don't reel while it's pulling line.
Keep going. You got it.
What's going on? Your drag set weird. All right, just get him in first, and then we'll fix your drag.
Good job, CJ.
God. Oh God, it's so strong.
That's all right. You're doing good.
Whoa. Okay,
You're doing good.
Spider.
You want me to jump? You gotta do something about his drag.
Now is that?
Yeah, something's wrong with his drag. I don't want to mess him up now, but watch my rods. Kind of like stay on that side of the boat. Dad, can you move over a little bit to the other side of the boat?
Dude, move to the right.
Keep tension.
You got this.
Oh, it's huge.
Good job. Good job.
It's a fish for sure, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, you're doing. I
Let
saw
her
it.
out.
There it is.
Don't bring
Oh,
it in
look at the
circle.
size of it.
It's like a smallmouth.
Oh my God.
Good fight. Good fight. Oh.
Fighting now.
Oh
Actually,
no.
I don't want to net him.
I found hooked down.
Foul hook?
Did he eat it or did I did I
Check that out.
Fouled him a little bit.
did he eat it or?
Once you get
All right,
that.
Fresh? We're in a tsunami here. The boat started rocking so bad.
Oh wow.
Dad, keep an eye on where we're headed.
I made a whoopsie.
We're good.
We're still okay right now.
Accidentally called the thing.
Oh, you having
No,
trouble
it's
getting
fine.
it out? Oh, I thought you already got
You know,
it.
fast tastes good.
My treble hooks. Oh, yeah.
Send him free, Dad.
Wait,
He
no,
deserves
I
it.
want to see him.
Oh,
Bring him
no,
up.
no, we're going to take a picture.
No, it's okay.
Oh.
It's okay.
No.
Darn.
I didn't see it. Get him for me.
What?
Get him for me.
I can't.
Yeah, grab him around his belly. No.
Oh, no net.
Sorry. Yeah, I
Grab
got
him
the
on his
holes
belly.
on there.
All right, let me see if I can grab him.
I wanted. Oh! That's all right. I
Oh,
wanted CJ to do it.
he was still
Oh.
rolling in.
Watch it. Where's your line?
Ah, that's loosening. So, see how it's recording right there? I'm gonna push it again. Hello, testing. Okay, I see you. Perfect. Now press the button again. It's 3, 4, 5. Now go, Frank. Keep going.
I didn't believe him, but
Keep going.
Okay.
Oh, he's jumping. He's fighting you. Good fight.
Should I get the net? Should I get the net, Dad? Yes, finally, some net action. Wait, Dad is something now?
Whoa. You going net him?
Oh, it's a fish. Watch out.
Oh my gosh, look at him.
Wait,
Don't
is
let
that
him
a
go
bite
under.
now?
Don't let him go under.
Oh, he went right under. Yeah, he's too far. You gotta bring him back.
Keep him, bring him back in. CJ, give it to your dad. Give the net to your dad.
Under. Hey.
Look at the size of that boy.
God, that's huge.
Woo!
Frankie.
Hello.
Man.
Alyssa, you have a camera?
Wow. King Frank.
Nice job.
Frankie keeping the action going.
All right.
Do you
Here,
have a-
CJ, hold this. Just hold it, keep facing him. It's gonna be blank, but keep facing. Just watch it.
Blank? What?
It's just blank, but it's still recording. All right, I got my camera ready.
Frankie and his fish.
Here,
Yes,
put
no,
the
no, stay, keep
put
it
the-
still, just still.
Put this in the
Still
line.
camera.
Here, go ahead, let that go over the edge. Over the edge.
Keep it still facing, just like that.
Oh, I keep rocking.
I know. All right,
You got it?
Yeah.
All right. You sure?
ready? 1, 2, 3. Chris, look up. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Awesome. 1, 2, 3.
That's a big
That's
boy.
awesome.
Look at
the
that
size of
size on that man.
All right, condition
job,
it.
bud.
Look it down. Help him condition it.
There you go.
Oh, there he goes.
That was a beast.
Nice job.
That don't go that good together.
Here.
Oh, is it a fighter? Watch your line.
It's a fooder.
Oh, he's fighting.
What is it,
Come on,
Dad?
Chris.
It's a bag. If it comes up right here and splashes me in the face, I'm gonna...
Oh. Oh, look at him. Nice job.
Okay, I'm casting inland. You guys are catching everything inland. Oh, it came out.
Oh, did he get off?
It came out. Lucky butt.
Keep going. Keep going.
Sure you're not moving?
It's moving now. Yeah, it's...
No,
Oh man. Oh.